Friends, in this crosshead assembly today we are going to see how to make this piston rod. For that, first open CATIA, then go on start, then mechanical design, and then part design. After that, click on OK. Now I am using all same dimensions, so let's make it. Select any plane whatever you want and then go on sketch option from here. Now you have to make one big circle, so just make one circle. Give dimensions to it by using this constraint command from here. So the diameter is given to us as 220, and now we have to use this profile command to make one straight line which is vertical. Now after that, here is again constraint command. Then distance between central axis to this drawn line is given as 40 to us, so this is 40. Then select this line and then go on mirror command from here and then select the central axis again. This is where we have completed our half sketch, and now rub unwanted parts. So these are unwanted parts, and now you have to make one circle at the center. So you dimensions to it by using constraint command. The diameter is given to us at 630, and now again distance between the central axis to the center of circle is given as 75. So here is 75, and now we have to mirror to this side. So select the circle and then here is the mirror command and then select the axis. This is how we have completed our mirror command. And now go on exit to workbench. Here take the pad command, and the thickness of pad is given to us as 35, that is length should be 35, and then click on OK. Now we have to sketch on this surface, so select the surface and then go on sketch command again. After that select the circle and make one circle here and go on constraint command, and the diameter is given at 60, so that is 60, and then again go on exit to workbench. Now go on pad command, and the given length is of 75, so this is 75, and then click on OK. Now one thing is remaining. You can see here is one slot, so we have to make it. So let's make it. For that you have to select this surface, or just select the surface, or you can just select this plane also. You can do anything. I am selecting surface, and now you have to make one rectangle first. So let's give dimensions to it by using this constraint command. This thickness is given to us as 8, and then click on OK. Now you can see in the figure both of this line are in coincide, so select both of this line by using control command and then go on this constraint box, and here is coincide command, then click on OK. Now you can see again go on this constraint option. The thickness of this is given as 45, and distance between this central again go on this constraint command. Distance between this central axis to this one side of the rectangle, it is given as 45 divided by 2. And this is how we have completed our sketch. It is full in green color. So that after that go on exit to workbench, and now use this pad command, and pad should be throughout. So select up to last and then click on OK. This is how we have completed our sketch. Thank you so much guys for watching it.